You can check that out. Hey, here's something cool. My friend Christine in New York City put together an interesting look at how data can help to inform cooking. Christine, take it away.
Hi everyone, I'm Christine Drinan and I'm the founder of Galavante, the travel and media company. For the past 8 years, Galavante has been inspiring people to travel the world and to experience culture and food. We are going to make a crepe today, which is inspired by France. The crepe was created in Brittany in the 13th or 14th century, and like many things in this world, it was created by accident. Someone was just cooking on the stove, spilled some porridge, and all of a sudden this pancake-like mixture formed that was really thin and crispy, and the crepe was born. When you're making a crepe for 4 people, maybe 5 or 6 people, you're gonna start out with 1 cup of flour. You're gonna have a ratio of 2 to 1 on your milk, and so you're gonna have 2 cups of milk. You're going to have 4 eggs, and you're gonna have 4 tablespoons of butter. What we're gonna do is, just because we like math here at Galavante, we are going to make that in half and we're gonna make it for 2 people. And so, as I said, instead of 1 cup of flour, you're gonna have a half cup of flour. You're gonna half the recipe and have 1 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 eggs, and you're going to have a half teaspoon of salt. And you're just gonna lightly beat your eggs for just a minute. Add in a cup of your oat milk. Give that a little bit of a stir. And you're gonna add in your 2 eggs. Give that a nice little stir. So you can see the consistency here is really thin. And then last, you're going to add the 2 tablespoons of butter. After mixing this for just a minute or so, we're gonna let this sit, and then we're going to come on over here to the stove and we are going to make our crepes. Here we go. So about a half cup, and this is only gonna take about 30 seconds, 45 seconds until the bottom becomes really nice and brown. Now it is time to finish your crepes. And what I like to do is I like to get as many greens as I possibly can into all of my meals. And so I'm going to take some of these beautiful roasted tomatoes and I'm going to put them on top because presentation is very important. As you can see, and then I'm going to put a couple of microgreens, and this is a meal that anyone can make, and you can fill it with anything you want. It's been so much fun to be with you here and outside the classroom. Thank you, Ryan. We're looking forward to seeing you somewhere else around the world with Galavante.